These are just some install photos from a little over a year ago. As you can see, this is an 8-way going in for medium voltage, just with a, actually that's a 350. Our excavating sub was assisting us that day. It's just impressive stuff, just dropping that in the trench, one 20-foot section at a time. Here's your 24-way of 4-inch, or 32, half switchboard, yep. To just chop away at that kind of a footage, 20 feet at a time, is just unparalleled. We've never experienced anything like that.